To Precalculus 1. I am your teacher, Miss Weiss, and I just want to go through some things with you. We don't have class right away, so our schedule starts right away, so I want to make sure you know what you're doing, either starting on Thursday or on Friday with learning. So our schedule here, odd class days 1, 3, and 5. Even class days are 0 to 4. Notice you've got that big chunk of time in the middle there for Tiger Connections and lunch, and during Tiger Connections you use a lot of that time for study halls to get work finished. How class will be run. You're going to be watching video lessons, taking notes, and completing worksheets. I do have some printed copies. They're outside room 3209. So if you want to come pick those up, you could do that today. Or you could print your own, or you could use your iPad and just write on your iPad. I do not have paper copies of notes, but we do have paper copies of worksheets. You could print out the note sheets yourself, or you could take notes on notebook paper. You will need to Dropbox the worksheets in the corresponding Dropbox. We're going to only have unit tests this trimester, and those will be on Schoology. I will always send out a Google Meet link for our class. I know most of you will be able to come to class, but in case you are sick and want to attend class, you could still attend class through the Google Meet. So then you'd be streaming into our class that's meeting in the building. I do request that you leave on the camera of your face when you show up on a Google Meet. Paper copies, like I said, they're outside 3209. They're available starting today, Wednesday, September 2nd. If you decide later that you really want paper copies, you can pick those up on Friday flex days or in class. So some instructions for uploading paper worksheets to Schoology. Take pictures of all the sides of the worksheets on the iPad, go into Schoology and click on the assignment. Click on submissions there, press the plus button in the upper right. Press submit photo/video, and then click on the pictures you want to submit, and then submit those. Grading, 60% is going to be based upon those unit tests, and there they are. Unit 1 has 2 parts because it's so long. There's actually 14 sections, so we divided it up. So 1-1 through 1-8 will be the first test, and then 1-9 through 1-14 will be Unit 1 test part 2. Unit 2 has 5 sections, so it's only 1 test. Unit 3 has 4 sections, so 1 test. And Unit 4 has 5 sections, so only 1 test. And then the other part of your grade is going to be 40% is based upon your homework. So expect that homework to be completed and work shown, and then it's your own work. Calculator, you're going to need a graphing calculator. The TI-84 and the TI-83 are the ones recommended. You'll be graphing some functions, so you're going to want to have a graphing calculator. In the spring, there was a free graphing calculator app, so I'm not sure if it's still available as free or not, but that's what we were downloading before. So if you want to check that out, that might be something you want to look into. For the assessments, we're asking that you complete those with integrity and honesty. We are allowing you to use notes, calculator, worksheets, and your brain, but you are not allowed to use the internet or get help from others, including adults or peers. So also on homework, it has to be your homework. You can't just copy someone's homework, or someone sends you their homework and then you submit it as your own. That's called cheating. So make sure that that work is your own. We're asking you to be honest with that the work you're submitting is yours. So once it goes in the Dropbox underneath your name, you're saying that that's your work. Same thing with the test. You're saying you did that test with integrity and honesty. Assessments, those are available on Schoology. They're a combination of matching, multiple choice, and fill in the blank tests. You can use your notes to complete those. No retakes are going to be given this trimester since tests are open notes. Office hours are on flex days, usually Fridays. These days are especially put in place to give students time to reach out and have some one-on-one help with their teachers. Let me know if you need help and what time of the day works for you. We can also use the Google Meets there if you've got any questions. So you can always just Schoology message me with questions on any day, and when I can, I'll message you back with an answer. On non-flex school days, if you need help in the moment, send me a Schoology message. Let me know that you need help, and if I can, I'll message you back with a Google Meet. It also helps to let me know, oh, Tuesday from 2 to 4, today from 9 to 10 a.m., so that helps me to know when you're available. Communication, feel free to message me on Schoology. If something's going on with you or your family, let me know, because if I know what's going on, I can be more flexible with that. So flex days, again, those are there to give one-on-one help. So if you need help, you've got to let me know. Just communication is key here. It's what's important here. So if you can let me know what you need, I can get you the help you need. So I want you to know that I'm here to help you to do well. So I'm here for you. So you can totally do this. We're trying to schedule it out so it makes it easy for everything to run smoothly. Again, I'm here, so if you need help, just reach out to me.